All right, sorry guys, I was cut off. So what are we doing? Remember, I put the grasp at the top. So what I want you guys to actually do today is I want you to talk about what problem or issue that you will investigate. So I want you to research both a plant and an animal cell. Why is this important? Well, talk about how it is important for the aliens to understand plant and animal cells, but also talk about why plant and animal cells are important anyways and why it's important to create a PowerPoint for this. What you need to know, these are going to be like research questions, so I want you to actually type out like what you need to know is what, plant cell parts. You need to know parts of a plant cell. Like also you need to know what are the parts of a animal cell. So those are just some guiding questions, like where do you find this? Can you use your science notes? Like what are you going to do? And then your sources. So what sources you are going to be using during your investigation? Well, like you can put in science notes. You can do not just put Google. No. See how I type that out? No. That is not it. Just find a scientific website, or it actually has to be a website. You can't just be like, I found a picture on Google and it told me. No, you have to find a scientific website that will give you all this information, then actually list that website. All right. So once your investigation is complete, I want you to put like what websites, out of all the websites that you find, and choose which ones are you going to use for this project and use for the information on your slides. Then I want you to put all of your work cited right here. So make sure that you put it in order, and that's where I want you to put it. This is the page that I want you to complete today. All right? That is it. That is all that I have, and I look forward to seeing you guys next class.